G'day Ray, how's it going mate? Just thought I'd do this quick video just to kind of show you the painting side of things. So this is the existing property from the front, and I'll go to the 3D model in a second, but basically this porch comes out and we build a new porch on the front with a set of stairs coming down, wrapping down to this side. There's some excavation works down the side, but from a painting perspective, this is currently what you're seeing from the front. All the other elevations kind of stay as per in terms of the structure, but that's from the front. So I'll go to the 3D. So you can see that's the new porch there, mate. So basically from the exterior side of things in terms of painting scope, we've got weatherboards up above the porch, like a vertical batten or shiplap profile there. These columns will be plastered, will be rendered. Block work is obviously not seen at that point. The porch roof will be battened out, like the back porch, which Justin will show you on site. It's basically just battens out on the soffit, laminated posts. So pretty much from a painting aspect, the whole front elevation would have to be repainted, I'd say, or even up to this bay window. I'm pretty sure Justin Michaela would say, look, paint the whole front elevation, because this is new cladding for the downstairs. So the whole front elevation definitely. Now in this elevation, this is a new window that's going in there and a new window above. So I would say from a painting side of things, we would paint from the corner to maybe this interior corner on that side. The rest of it would stay as per. Now, of course, if Justin Michaela want the whole thing painted, that's a different story, but I'm just going on what I think the scope would be initially. So the rest of it remains untouched. We then add this sliding door in on the back elevation. So I would say definitely would be painting all of this elevation at the very least, because of the new doors. And then everything else stays as per. All this stays as per on the back elevation. On the side elevation, we are adding in some windows and bits and pieces here. So potentially the bottom would be repainted, leaving the top, and you'll see what I mean by that on site. From this bottom area we'd be able to paint. So pretty much the whole front, this elevation up to the interior corner. Interior wise upstairs is, we are talking about the whole of the interior upstairs. It's all pretty traditional upstairs. We're adding this laundry and bathroom sort of in there, and we're adding this door out onto the deck upstairs. The rest is as per. And sorry, one other thing, these two windows upstairs in the lounge. So it'll probably be the interior is getting repainted, but Michaela and Justin may be talking to you about doing one room at a time or a couple of rooms at a time. I'm not too sure the sequencing of the existing interior areas, but I obviously know the new areas. Downstairs, which you'll see at the moment, is currently a garage area, which we convert into a new sort of lounge area with the sort of stairs coming down. This is the proposed lounge area. There's a desk space in there, and there's a bedroom and ensuite with the garage in the middle, and that's the porch kind of underneath. So you'll see that on site, mate. So that's all good. So I just did this ground floor RCP, so reflected ceiling plan downstairs. So pretty much ceiling number one is we install either ply groove or some similar product between the joists, and that all gets painted out. And then CO2, which is basically the desk space, the bedroom, through to the ensuite, is just a jibbed ceiling, 13mm plastered jibbed ceiling painted. And then CO3, which is the new garage area, just remains as per, unpainted. So yeah, I hope that helps you out, mate. But I'm sure, yeah, Justin will show you around. I'm happy to answer any questions afterwards. But that's it. Cheers, Ray.